I mean, we're so lucky at how everything turned out that day, and it could have been so much worse. 2 weeks ago I was on the way to work and we were driving through red lights and we noticed we were going over a bicycle and people started screaming on the bus, and I kind of jumped up. One of the passengers was like, "The bus driver's asleep, he's not waking up," and ran into nurse mode and decided to try help him anyways. Realised he was unconscious, couldn't wake him up. Realised we needed to stop the bus because he was breathing but he was getting into difficulty. I was able to shake him and to move his legs off the pedals so that we could stop the bus. And yeah, I got help from 2 lads, I don't know who they were, but anyway, and they helped me carry him out onto O'Connell Street and we started CPR. We did CPR for about 10 minutes until the ambulance arrived, and then they continued. But yeah, he's alive and he's good, he's well. I think it's so important to just this is even amazing, just having this awareness, getting it out there. The word is so important, and I mean, we're so lucky at how everything turned out that day, and it could have been so much worse. So like trying to use this as a positive experience for people and show people that, you know, you can help someone if they're in difficulty, and that it's okay to, you know, start CPR and not to be afraid to do it, and to build the confidence, I think, in people to be able to do that in that situation.
And the plan is that we are going to go out around Ireland and provide free CPR training in communities across the country. The reasoning behind this is that there are roughly 5,000 people die from sudden cardiac arrest every year, and 70% of those are in the home. So if you start CPR immediately, you can double or even triple a person's chances of survival. Now, lots of people haven't attended a CPR course in their life, and there's a fear out there maybe sometimes about learning CPR or about starting CPR. So the idea is that if you've practiced on a mannequin, that you'd be 10 times more likely to respond in the event of a cardiac arrest. And the other thing is your confidence, of course, would be much higher as well.